So, what are you guys looking forward to in the future in terms of how are you guys building your strategy out?
Yeah, so like what we're doing is we're we're adding new offers. We're trying to make it easier and easier for our clients to run ads. So we're like adding all types of new creatives, so that they can just use those immediately and they don't have to spend as much time when they're doing their ad launch. What else are we doing? We're basically just taking a bunch of the different SaaS tools that have been coming out in GHL and just like adding those to our program.
Yeah.
And yeah, there's just so much cool stuff that's come out with high level. It's just crazy. One of the big ones is actually having like an EMR, like a medical record thing, which a bunch of our clients use. They all hate the ones they use right now. And then
Yeah.
so we're just adding that on, and it's just this extra piece of value that we can provide. It makes the service stickier and just makes it like
You guys
much more
have
useful.
like your own EMR?
You can build it in GHL. It's crazy. So we're gonna
Really?
be running that out. Yeah. They just started the beta release. They added documents, and then in the scheduling thing, you can have different rooms and different providers. So we're gonna be pushing that out in the next couple of weeks. Crazy.
Whoa, I did not know that. I mean, just for everybody that knows in the medical space, and so EMR means electronic medical record system, and EMR and EHR are the same thing, and they're like they house patient information, past treatments, all the documents that they need, and they keep them compliant. They're going into the EHR business, huh?
Yeah, it's crazy. Like
Wow, I did
it's
not know
like
that.
all I can't remember what the compliance is called. It's like
HIPAA.
HIPAA. Yeah, so as long as you have HIPAA compliance, you can use it. And it's crazy because like all the there's probably about like 50 different software companies that do this, and they're unanimously hated by every single one of our clients. We've never
Yes.
met a client who likes their EMR software. They're like it's too expensive, it's annoying, it's difficult to use. Can you guys just do this within your software? And like the document thing and the scheduling thing, that was kind of like getting in our way. But now that it's there, it's like we can add it and just keep on. Like that's the thing about high level is it's just it continuously amazes me. There's just you can provide so much value. You just have to kind of package it up and make it useful to like whoever your audience is.